Hi, my name is Denzel. I am from Primary 6 BBS Malang. I am 10 years old and I want to join the Make X Independence Day competition. Since I have a lot of cardboards at home, I'm going to use cardboard for my project, and I'm also going to use all these cards for the competition. See you in my project video. Bye! So first you add this block. So when the mBot's core starts up, the use of this block is to detect if there are any speaker or no, which are attached to the core. So I'm going to put this over here. Then get the if and then block. So now if any object is less than 20 centimeters from the ultrasonic sensor, it will activate the entire thing. So now I add this so that the volume will be set to 100%. I put this over here, and then it will play the audio file, which is called T001. The file T001 is the one that says Indonesia Raya. The file that sent the Indonesia Raya song. And now I'm going to make the motor move to raise the flag later. This one is 20% and this one is 0%, because the right one does not move. And I'm going to use the LCD matrix to show the logo of 75 because it's Indonesia's 75th birthday. And now I'm going to put this over here. But this program is going to be active for only one time, so I'm going to put repeat forever so that it will repeat and repeat the process again. And this is the program. So if the mBot's core starts up, it will try to detect the speaker. Then if you put any objects which is less than 20 centimeters from the ultrasonic sensor, the speaker will sing the song of Indonesia Raya and make some commands. And the left field will turn to raise the flag up later. And this LED panel is to show that it's Indonesia's 75th Independence Day. Goodbye. Merdeka. Welcome back to my project video. This is my project. It is called the BBS Malang Saluting to the Indonesian Flag. Why did I call it? Because all the students are saluting to the Indonesian flag. So these are the JC students, these are the primary, and these are the teachers. These are the flag bearers. And now I will tell you the function of all the parts. So the use of the motor is to spin this rubber band, and the use of the rubber band is to raise the flag from down to up. And I use this part called the catapulting cage as the pole. And now this is the speaker. The speaker is to tell the commands and to sing the Indonesia Raya song. And this part is called the LCD matrix. The LCD matrix shows the logo of 75 because it's Indonesia's 75th Independence Day. And this is the ultrasonic sensor. So if you put any object, including your hand, over here, it will activate the whole process. And this is the BBS Malang logo because I am from BBS Malang. I also use some trees for the decorations. And now I will show you the entire process. So under this cardboard box, there is the cord, some cables, and the battery. So now I will turn this on. And I will put That's all my project. See you in the next competition. Happy Independence Day. Merdeka!